Bang! Neeves Knives, I'm Jared, and we've been waiting for the mini keen to come out, and now it has dropped. We have the titanium frame lock version. A liner lock version is coming soon. However, we have the titanium frame lock version. You can see the size difference from the regular one to the mini. Now the regular one, LACONICO design, full-size knife, and it is an incredible EDC. Because of the shape, because of the size, the ergonomics, it's contoured, very comfortable in the hand, great blade shape for EDC. You can basically do anything. It's like a jack-of-all-trades knife. It makes it to where it's a super functional EDC knife. And that's why I've always loved it. Now, some people, maybe it's a little bit large for because it would be considered a full-size knife. Now you have the mini, which is still, you can still get a full grip on it, but it is a lot smaller, as you can see. It is still slightly contoured, good access to the lock bar from the frame lock, and they did add jimping on the flipper tab, because this is a super snappy flipper, a stronger detent than the large one. Not that the large one has a bad detent, but it's just, you know, this one's more clicky, so you can actually hear it. I can, however, reverse flick off of the blade because it's blasted. The entire thing on this exact one is blasted. If it was satin or stonewashed, I probably wouldn't be able to do that. But because it's blasted, I can easily do it. Very smooth on the drop. Like I said, the flipping action is super snappy. This is going to be one that nobody's going to have a problem deploying. Very, very snappy. And I like that they cut back the lock bar access. Very smooth, comfortable disengagement. Now, it does have a captured pivot on this one. On the large one, you had to use a screw on both sides. So that's an upgrade, which is really awesome. So you only need one T8 to take out the pivot. Titanium milled pocket clip. These pocket clips work good. Titanium milled backspacer, and then it does not have any milling on the inside, but it's not heavy. It's not a big knife, but it still has that great functional drop or spear point blade that everybody loves because it's so versatile. Now the blade steel on this is S35VN. Really quick, while we're talking about KAVISO, I figured I'd show you guys the wee Praxis again because it is an exclusive through KAVISO. Now, there's only so many of them available right now, so if you want one, get one because they won't be back until next year, most likely. Now, personally, this is one I can't get out of the pocket. I absolutely love it. I already loved the affordable Praxis or the Civivi Praxis. So putting it in premium materials, of course I'm gonna love it. It's super versatile, very slicey. The titanium frame lock is super slim, yet very, very ergonomic. And it just has that jack of all trades blade shape. So it's something that it's such an easy grab. You know it's gonna work for anything you need a knife for. This is going to excel. So yeah, I can't recommend it enough. Like I said, I can't get it out of the pocket. So like I said, it'll be linked down in the description if you guys do want to get in on it. As far as negatives go, I've looked this thing up and down and I really can't find anything negative aside from T6s. I'd rather it be T8s. It is T6s, but other than that, you know, if that's the only negative, that's good, you know, because everything else is done very, very, very well. So I'm very happy with how this turned out. Fit, finish, action, you know, tolerances, everything is on point. So, and I also understand that this is going to be the size that most people want and carry. However, if you are more into the full size one, because this is my favorite size knife, is the full size version, I will have that link down in the description as well. But this one will be also linked down there, $125, not bad considering how good it is and, you know, the materials and everything. So I'm very happy with the price. I'm very happy with it all the way around. Now, some people might say it could use some milling on the inside. I personally wouldn't. It might be, in my opinion, just a little too light at that point because it's already lightweight. So, but that's something maybe somebody else would say just because it doesn't have it. Not that it's too heavy or anything, just because it doesn't have it. But anyways, yeah, I'm liking it quite a bit. And like I said, everything will be linked down in the description. Until next time, peace.